we created Indo-Ecuador Film and Culture Forum in association with the Embassy of Ecuador. I'm very happy that His Excellency, the Ambassador of Ecuador, nominated me as the chair for Indo-Ecuador Film and Culture Forum. Under this forum, the first thing what we did is we presented a scholarship worth around about 300,000 rupees to the embassy to send across the most deserving student from Ecuador to India. The second most important thing what we presented is this festival where three very important films from Ecuador, they are right here, which has been recently inaugurated by the ambassador himself, and there are a large number of very, very important people from industry who are here to support us for this festival. The first film was a super hit, very well attended and very well appreciated by the audience. The other two films will be shown tomorrow with a different and a new audience. In continuation to this film festival, we have already taken Ecuador as our partner in our forthcoming global literary festival. And once that literary festival is over, Ecuador is going to be part of our global film festival. Likewise, we have decided to make Ecuador as a part and parcel of our all the important events what we conduct around the year, and I'm happy that the ambassador is very excited, very happy. He has blessed us, and he has shown full cooperation in today's event and our forthcoming events.
I'm very happy. I want to say first thanks. My name is Fernando Buccelli. I'm the ambassador of Ecuador in India. It's the second time I'm here in this marvelous place today to open the Ecuadorian Festival of Movies. That festival tries to approach the Ecuadorian people with Indian people, with the goal that in the future to have the opportunity to collaborate together and to make reality one dream is to have shooting in Ecuador. I want to thank this opportunity to thank Mr. Marva for organizing this. This is a wonderful school, and I'm very happy and very proud to be here.
And can you tell us more about the future collaboration between India and Ecuador?
We started now this film festival. We are going to convey also the Ecuadorian producers to come here. We already have the opportunity to bring one person to study here at the academy. That's thanks to a scholarship offered by Mr. Marva. And also I want to share a very good news for you. India and Ecuador are coming close together because also India is going to open the embassy of India in Ecuador in the coming days.
Yes, it was beautiful, and I'm very happy to know that we are doing such events in India. And I'm very grateful to Mr. Sandeep Marwa. He's bringing this culture program, and I think this is very impressive when we have this kind of things, and it helps our culture exchange and thoughts, and it's very important.
So it's been a very interesting experience for me to be part of this festival. So while Ecuador is in South America, they are Spanish-speaking country. Their film showed you, those of you who watched it, the kind of artistic rigor which they have in it, the use of media, multimedia. So whatever you might say, it may be from anywhere, but for our students, for our film industry, there is always something to learn. So we may think we are very good, but you collaborate with someone from a different culture, from a different society, and we all get to learn. So I think I did get to learn something from this film, and I would like to congratulate Marwa Studios for this collaboration. Ecuador film industry is one which is resurgent, rising, and really developing fast. It was slow to take off, as I was mentioning when I was in the hall. 1924 was their first documentary. Thereafter they had a period of more documentaries, but it is in the last 15 odd years that Ecuadorian films have really taken off.
ये तो मैं हमेशा आता हूँ मारवा स्टूडियो में, और यहाँ पे हमेशा आके बड़ी खुशी मिलती है. और एज यूजुअल संदीप मारवा जी का जो एक मैनेजमेंट है या जो एग्जीक्यूशन है वो बड़े ही अच्छे और ऑर्गेनाइज तरीके से करते हैं. तो बड़ा अच्छा लगा इंडिया और इक्वेडर के साथ जो उन्होंने अभी एक नया पर्व शुरू कर रहे हैं फिल्म्स को प्रमोट करने के लिए, अलग अलग कल्चर प्रमोट करने के लिए. तो काबिल तारीफ है ये.
इस तरह की जो फिल्में होती है अदर कंट्रीज में वो जब दिखाई जाती है तो वो स्टूडेंट्स के लिए कितना ज़रूरी होता है कि उनको अदर कंट्रीज के बारे में पता चलता है.
एग्जैक्टली इसमें ना आपको एक दूसरा कल्चर है, दूसरी कंट्री है, वहाँ की आबो हवा अलग है, वहाँ की भाषा अलग है. तो एक नॉलेज का एक आदान प्रदान का ही आप एक्सचेंज ऑफ नॉलेज होता है। तो ये बहुत अच्छा आपको सीखने को मिल रहा है यहाँ पर।